I want to now get you a live update from South Kashmir in JNK, where Kamaljeet Sandhu is reporting from. Kamaljeet, I bring you in here. Different cities in mourning right now. What is the situation on the ground? The sentiment from the armed forces, from the Kashmir people who are also suffering. Their livelihood, economy has taken a direct setback.
Well, yes, definitely. We are in Pahalgam. In fact, we are in Ashmukam, Hapnar.
Okay.
This is the house of Adil Hussain, the Poniwala. His heroic act was actually shared by several celebrities, including Priyanka Chopra. But let me tell you, there were at least 25 tourists, and then there was Adil who tried to actually rescue the tourists there. But definitely, as far as Pahalgam is concerned, that resembles a ghost town. Now, since the morning, several of the people who have been coming here, look at the number of people who have actually come to the residence. They are in solidarity. In fact, a team from Mumbai's Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction is also present here. They are offering assistance to the family. But at this point of time, definitely, where there's a setback to Kashmir, there is obviously a sense of loss, and the loss is not just to the Adil's family. We spoke to his father. He said he feels more bad for all those tourists who actually lost their lives. So definitely there seems to be a concern. There's also an palpable anger, especially regarding Pakistan, and this is where they want some sort of an action to take place. We've seen government crackdown as far as the perpetrators are concerned. The sort of local connect that we saw, Adil Thokar is concerned, Asif Sheikh Tral is concerned. So we've seen those actions taking place. There are multiple encounters in the past few hours or so, but definitely as far as the heart-wrenching incident is concerned, remember, this is where it's hurt the economy, it's hurt the livelihoods,
Correct.
it's hurt people, it's hurt sentiments, and Kashmiriyat, and this is, the family stands for Kashmiriyat in that sense. If we can try and show you the sort of sense that we're trying to say, Eknath Shinde himself was present here. He sent a team out here. So they are all in solidarity. Some of the local leaders who've actually come here, they're all in solidarity with this particular family, with a brave heart. And the father is right here. Let's just see. He's sitting with the Eknath Shinde faction. We'll just try and get a sense. ये जो आज हुआ है, जो आपके साथ हुआ, बहादुरी की बात करते हैं. कई सेलिब्रिटीज भी अब शेयर कर रहे हैं आदिल की कहानी. काफी लोग आपकी मदद करने आ रहे हैं. उमर अब्दुल्ला आए, अब एकनाथ शिंदे फैक्शन से भी आए. किस तरह से देखते हैं आप?
कौन किस तरह से देखते हैं? ये जो आने वाले, ये तो सब तहजीत में मेरे साथ इस दुख में शरीक होते हैं और खुद ये कहते हैं कि हम आपकी रखवाली करेंगे, हम आपके साथ हैं.
आदिल खुद भी 300 से 500 रुपए ही कमाता था, तो क्या आप
500-600 रुपए कमा लेता था दिन का.
तो अब आप कैसे देख रहे हैं आगे का?
आगे का क्या देखेंगे? अभी तो मैं इसी गम में मुब्तला हूँ और इन लोगों के साथ शिरकत कर रहा हूँ. जब ये सिलसिला खत्म होगा.
उमर साहब ने भी असिस्टेंस किए हैं. आप लोग एकनाथ शिंदे फैक्शन से आए हैं, महाराष्ट्र से आए हैं. किस तरह की असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करने की बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, जो साहब को जो मालूम हो गया था, हमारे जो महाराष्ट्र के डिप्टी सीएम है एकनाथ जी शिंदे साहब को, जैसे कि उन्होंने इतना बहादुरी का काम किया है, जैसे युवा है कि उनको मालूम था कि अपने पीछे पूरा घर मेरे हमारे पे ऊपर भी है, तभी भी उन्होंने उनके जान की परवाह न करके भी जो पर्यटन लोग को बचाने की कोशिश की. इसमें तो हम ऐसे कश्मीरी युवा को अभी उतना भी शहीद हो गए, ऐसा जैसा जो आर्मी के बोलते हैं वैसे शहीद हो गए. सिर्फ ये बात शिंदे साहब को मालूम हो गई. उसके बाद शिंदे साहब को मालूम होने के बाद साहब ने पूरा इधर का उनके घर में कौन है क्या है सब पूरा डिटेल हमारे जो कार्यकर्ता है शिवसेना का इधर से मालूम लिया कि उनके घर पे सिर्फ 2 बच्चे हैं, वो भी छोटे हैं, और सिर्फ कमाने वाला एक आदिल था. इसके वजह से साहब बोले कि उनको अपने को हेल्प करनी है. जैसे हमारे अभी जो साहब के जो सेक्रेटरी है वो भी इधर पहुंचते हैं, 10-15 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे. तो हमारे शिंदे साहब के थ्रू से उनको हम मदद करने वाले, आर्थिक मदद करेंगे, और बाकी अभी कुछ हमारा प्लान चल रहा है तो हम बताएंगे आने के.
So the country stands in solidarity. This is what I want to tell Pooja, that it's not just about Kashmir, it's about all the neighboring states, and this is where what we've seen is cutting across across
Absolutely.
party lines. We've seen Rahul Gandhi's in Kashmir. We've seen Eknath Shinde being here. So we've seen different factions, but it's also how they stand in solidarity with tourists who've lost their lives, also with the people of Kashmir. And this obviously, Adil's story is a story of Kashmiriyat, about a brave heart who actually took on terrorists, tried to fight them off, tried to snatch the weapon, and in return he was shot dead. So this is where things are, and obviously you can see the number
Correct.
of people. And there's a small boy out here wearing a military uniform. I'll just try and show you. This is a small boy wearing a military uniform, and he himself is a symbol of how there is a resilience of people out here who want to actually fight off terrorism.
They are the hope. And Kamaljeet, continue to bring us these reports. This is the reality of Kashmir. And I want to tell you how. Adil Hussain, a pony driver also killed by Pakistan-sponsored terrorists. Reports suggest he tried to face the terrorists, disarm them. He was also not spared. And then there is an Adil Thokar, an active terrorist from Kashmir who helped Pakistan-sponsored terrorists, as agencies have been maintaining, in carrying out this massacre. Perhaps it's significant that those who want to come and take on the terrorists will be many more voices in support and solidarity who will come forth. Kamalji, thank you very much for these details.